Hey, if you're having trouble seeing the Raster Layer Tool on your ArcGIS Pro workflow at the moment, and even if you have a roster up and you're still not seeing that tool, it could be because you don't have the layer activated on your ArcGIS Pro desktop. So for example, you see here, I've got a baseball diamond. This is a drone imagery, so this is an orthomosaic right here. I'll actually turn the base map to a topographic map and you can see it better. So here's my roster image, and you'll notice I don't have any roster tools up here. But if I click on the layer itself, now you see I've got roster tools, and there's my roster layer tool. And if I click on that, then I've got the band combination tool, resampling tool, and everything else. So again, if you're having trouble seeing this tool, make sure that you click on the layer in the table of contents, and hopefully that'll solve the problem for you. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. Bye-bye.